So I just got back from summer racing, back to the shop. Came to drop off the header bolts because the header bolts that are on there are mixed match and can't have that because I guess they stripped one of the original heads, like header hose. So oh shit! Damn it, boy. New ones. What's up, guys? So I just dropped off the bolts for the headers at the shop. Right now I'm picking up some beer for the guys. They already got the original heads that were on here, the 706s. They already got those off. Everything's already open. He's about to start checking everything, and he's gonna set the 243s here in a bit. So I already gave him the head gaskets, the BTR head gaskets for the heads, and then he's gonna reuse the header gaskets because they're brand new. We literally just put them on today, so we were able to drive the truck to the shop. And that's it really. So right now I'm at the gas station here down the street from my house, and then I gotta go pick up the beer, drive all the way back, and it's a little workout, but keep up, and I'll start posting up the official video of how I'm gonna do everything. I still have to edit everything else and make it into one video so I can post it on YouTube as well, and let's get it.
The jumper cable.
Okay, the jumper cable.
I think so.
I see him over there.
Everything is done.
You got four with the hand.
Go in.
Yeah, try it again. Go.